Everyone, I'm just here to show you my latest addition to my journal collection, just to show you what I've been up to. So I finished the pink one, the lilac one. Both of those have been on my Etsy store and they've sold, so really grateful for that. The next little project that I did was a turquoise one, and so I'm just showing you that one now, so you can have a look at that. So this is all the cover. It's the same design really. It's made out of a little tea box, and this is the cover. It's the back is all done with sari silk and lace, and I'll just flick through it a little bit for you. The covers of the signatures are all done with digital images that I created myself. So there's all sorts of different, the papers are hand dyed by me, and as usual with the other ones, I've kept quite a few pages free. There's lots of stenciling and stuff, but can all be written over. A little bit of printing, stamping, and there's some decoration that I did. And then we've got the really lovely tracing paper, a few little pockets. Just really decorated. A lot of the turquoise theme is all carried through. Got little pockets. There's lots of vintage book pages in here that have been used, and some sort of faux vintage stuff that I've created, bits of ephemera. It's three signatures. There's some old maps, little bits of collaging, some vintage music pages, a few scribble flowers that were inspired by Pam at the Paper Outpost. Little tucks. Little pouches. So lots and lots of little bits and bobs in there. Really cute little journal. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back again soon. Bye for now.